Welcome to EduLab. Today we are going to start new chapter for Standard 10 GACB. The heading of the chapter is Economic Problem and Challenges, Poverty and Unemployment. So in this chapter what we are going to discuss is about economic problem. जितने भी इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स है दैट इंडिया इज़ फेसिंग एंड वाई इट इज़ फेसिंग दैट थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. और सबसे पहली चीज़ तो ये इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम्स होते क्या है, दिस ऑल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. देन कम्स द चैलेंजेस. अब हमारी कंट्री के सामने कौन कौन से चैलेंजेस है फॉर द इकोनॉमी. There are many kind of problems that also we are going to discuss, and the main challenge is the poverty and unemployment. So poverty and unemployment. What is poverty, the type of poverty, and what the initiative has government taken for removing poverty and for the poor people. This all things in a brief we are going to discuss. Then comes the unemployment. The concept of unemployment, we all know that what is unemployment. The definition we know, but there are 6 to 7 types of unemployment. There are 6 to 7 types which we are going to discuss in this chapter. So let's begin. The very first thing that we are going to discuss is about economic problem. अब ये economic problem होते क्या है? ये इस टाइप के प्रॉब्लम होते हैं जो हमारे कंट्री को ग्रो नहीं करने देते, जो हमारे कंट्री की इकोनॉमी को कहीं ना कहीं ग्रो नहीं करने देते, यहाँ रुकावट बनते, वी कैन से इन अ शॉर्ट वे. दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम विच आर रिलेटेड टू मनी, which are related to income in direct way or in indirect way, and it becomes an obstacle for what, for the economy of our country. This type of problems are known as economic problem. Now there are certain type of economic problems given in your book. We are going to discuss it one by one. The first one is पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ. एज वी ऑल नो इंडिया की जो पॉपुलेशन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर कंट्रीज़. वी स्टैंड सेकेंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉपुलेशन. सो अगर इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीज़ हो रही है और उसके सामने व्हाट वी हैव, रिसोर्सेज, लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज है हमारे पास. ऐसा तो नहीं है दैट वी हैव अनलिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. एट द सेम टाइम द पीपल अर्निंग कैपेसिटी जो लोगों की है एंड जितने जॉब्स है वो भी एक टाइप पे लिमिटेड है एज़ कम्पेयर. When we compare that things, when we compare our wants, the income to the population, वो एक ग्राफ बहुत ऊपर नीचे जाता है because of the increase in population. So the second point is the price rise. प्राइस राइज जो हो रहा है इंडिया में, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम इन वन वे और द अदर वे. बिकॉज जो प्राइस राइज अगर कंटिन्यू होगा देन व्हाट विल poor people do, what will middle class people will do, they will have to suffer very more. The third is black money. अब जो black money है, we all know what is black money, right? तो black money भी एक major economic problem है. The fourth is poverty. पोवर्टी बहुत ज़्यादा है. मैनी पुअर पीपल लिव इन इंडिया. अब ऐसा तो नहीं कि अच्छा वो लोग पुअर है तो वी कैन हम लोग उसको निकाल दे कंट्री से. दिस इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग एंड दिस कांट बी डन. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज़ एक ऐसा डिज़ाइन करें, एक ऐसी इकोनॉमी डिज़ाइन करें जहाँ से वो पुअर पीपल है उनको भी थोड़ा बेनिफिट मिले और जो पुअर है वो पुअर के पुअर ना रहे, वो पुअर धीरे धीरे ऊपर आए, उसका जो स्टेटस है वो धीरे धीरे अच्छा हो जाए. Then comes unemployment. Many people are unemployed. Many people are unemployed in India. We all know what is unemployment. Let me again repeat what is unemployment. Unemployment का मतलब when a person wants to really work, when a person wants to work, when a person is qualified enough to work, when a person is able to work physically and mentally, but then also he is not getting job anywhere. This type of situation is known as unemployment. So unemployment is also very huge economic problem in India. Then comes the starvation मतलब भूख की वजह से लोग मर जाते. This thing is known as starvation. This is also a big economic problem. It is somewhere directly or indirectly related to economy only. Then comes the corruption which is done by the big people, so it is also economic problem. Then comes the terrorism, and this all things were the major economic problems. So let's go to the poverty. Now, what is poverty and who are known as poor? First of all, let's discuss that who are known as poor. Poor people, the definition is the person who is not able to satisfy the very basic needs. This very basic needs includes five things, such as number 1 is food, number 2 is clothes, third is shelter, fourth is education, and fifth is health services. If a person is not able to satisfy these five very basic needs, which are very essential to sustain, to live a life, then this type of person who is not able to satisfy these things is termed as poor person, and the life he is living is termed as a is considered in the poverty. It's considered in the poverty line. Now let's discuss the features of the poverty line. So this poverty line is divided into two types, the below poverty level and the above poverty level. Now, who is the below poverty level? The features we are going to discuss that. Person who is not able to get 2 meals a day. We all require food, 2 time food we all require, the lunch and dinner. So a person who is even not able to satisfy the 2 meals, he is not even able to make the 2 meals of the day, this type of person is considered under the below poverty line. Then comes the people suffer from problems of unavailability of dwelling place. This type of people are also considered in the BPL. They are forced to live in a slabby or slum areas. This type of people who live in slum areas, they don't like to live. Who will like to live in slum, right? But they are forced because they don't have job, they don't have money. उसकी मजबूरी हो जाती to live in the slum and to live in the dirty places. So this type of people living in that area are considered in the BPL. Then comes their income is less than determined expectation income. Expected income एक रखा गया है. So some dollars are kept that if this person एक इंसान को कितनी कैलोरी लेनी चाहिए, मतलब उनका फूड इनटेक कितना होना चाहिए, एज वेल एज एक इंसान कितना कमाना चाहिए, दैट इज गिवन बाय द WHO, that is World Health Organization. The next point is the lifespan is less than national average life expectancy. The poor people, what happens? They die at an early age, we can say. Why they die? Because of starvation, because of the life they live, because they don't get sufficient food, they don't get the clean water, they don't get clean environment to live. So as a result, what happens? They die at a very early age. The next point is generally they are illiterate. अब जिसके पास खाने के पैसे नहीं हो, उसके जो बच्चे हैं, उसके जो चिल्ड्रन है, will they go to school? No, they are not able to send their children to school. So they will be illiterate. The next point is very often they suffer from various diseases due to lack of nutritious food. Again, due to starvation, अगर उनको खाना मिल भी रहा है, then it may not be nutritious. So what will happen? Due to lack of nutrients in their body, some way or the other way, nutrients तो उनको पूरे मिलेंगे नहीं. Then what will happen? उनको बहुत सारी ऐसी disease हो गए जिसमें nutrients related disease हो गए, and as a result, very now and then that person will fall sick. The next point is children who have taken up the responsibility of looking after their family at the age when they are supposed to study. Again, now there are many people living in a family, and there are many children in a family. So what will happen? At a very tender age, at a very young age, the children will go to work out, to work in a factory, or they earn the daily wages. They work like this, and if they really want to work, then उनको क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो उसका स्टडीज़ है उसके साथ सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ेगा. अगर वो लोग पढ़ते हैं तो ज़्यादातर तो व्हाट हैपन्स, दे आर नॉट एबल टू गो टू स्कूल. इफ़ दे आर गोइंग, देन व्हाट दे नीड टू डू, व्हाट दे आर सपोज टू डू, एंड व्हाट दे आर आस्क्ड टू डू बाय द फैमिली मेम्बर्स, दैट अब इतना पढ़ाई हो गया एंड नाउ व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज गो आउट एंड start earning something for the family and for yourself. So this is the scenario. Then the next point is death rate is high due to malnutrition. Now what is malnutrition? That a person is not getting enough nutrients, enough food. तो उसकी वजह से क्या होता है, एट अ वेरी यंग एज जो चाइल्ड की डेथ हो जाती है ड्यू टू malnutrition, या तो फिर अडल्ट की भी डेथ हो जाती है ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स इन देयर फूड. So all these were the features of people living below poverty line. So ये सारे जो पॉइंट्स है, ये सारे पॉइंट्स जिस इंसान में एड अप होते हैं, दिस टाइप ऑफ पर्सन, दिस टाइप ऑफ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, दिस कम्युनिटी इज सेड टू बी लिविंग अंडर बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत सारे स्टेप्स लिए हैं, गवर्नमेंट ने एक्टिवली पार्टिसिपेट करे ये सारी चीज़ों के लिए. सो व्हाट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ डन इज इनकम ऑफ पीपल लिविंग बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन इज वेरी लेस इन सिटीज़ एज वेल एज इन विलेजेस. सच फैमिलीज आर कॉल्ड अंत्योदय फैमिली और फैमिलीज लिविंग बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन. अब गवर्नमेंट ने ये सोचा कि दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल जिसके पास ये बेसिक नीड्स कंप्लीट करने के लिए भी पैसे नहीं है, ना तो खाना खाने के लिए पैसे है, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस टाइप ऑफ पीपल इनको अलग कर दो फ्रॉम द APL. सो दिस पीपल आर रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एज BPL बाय द गवर्नमेंट. Then comes, after finding out such families, government has started public distribution system on basis of the ration card. अब ये ration card क्या होता है? It is a card which every citizen of India have. Now this ration card are divided into two different parts, the APL and the BPL. The APL card will be with the people who lives above the poverty line. अबव द पॉवर्टी लाइन कैसे रहेंगे कि ये सारी जो बेसिक नीड्स है वो फुलफिल कर सकते हैं, एजुकेशन से लेके क्लॉथिंग तक, दिस ऑल थिंग्स द APL पीपल आर एबल टू फुलफिल और ऑन देयर ओन. एंड जो BPL कार्ड जिनको मिलता है, रेशन कार्ड का ही एक टाइप है, दोनों APL एंड BPL कार्ड. BPL कार्ड किन लोगों को मिलता है? द पीपल हु लिव बिलो पॉवर्टी लाइन, जो ये 5 चीज़ों को अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. So government has made fair price shops for BPL only, not for APL. So what are fair price shops? So what will happen at fair price shop? Every month they fulfill the requirements like rice, wheat, sugar, oil, salt and kerosene. Now government gives this all things such as rice, wheat, sugar, oil, salt and kerosene to the people living below the poverty line on the basis of the card they hold of BPL at the fair price shop. So what happens, बहुत कम पैसों में they get this all commodities, and before many years what was the scenario, उनको almost free में मिलता था. Now the government is charging money but not on the market price, at a very low price compared to the market. So now this poverty is divided into two different groups. Again, the first is absolute poverty and second one is relative poverty. अब ये poverty जो word है वो आया कहाँ से, किसने बनाया? It is by WHO. It is given, this concept was given by WHO, that is World Health Organization, and there are two ways of knowing the number of people living below poverty line. कैसे देख सकते हैं हम कि this person lives below poverty line? The first is on the basis of expenditure behind various commodities or services by a family. अब the person जिसके पास इतने पैसे नहीं है, the person who is poor, how I can say कि जो उसका expenditure हो रहा है it will be very less, and the person who lives above poverty line उसका expenditure हो रहा है, I can't say that the expenditure will be very much, but उसका जो expenditure है that will be moderate kind. And the second point is on the basis of total income of the family. जो total income आती है family की, उसके ऊपर से भी we can know that this person, how this person is living, and poverty line can be measured by these two things. Now when we talk about absolute poverty, now what is absolute poverty? It is those people of the society who are not able to purchase the basic necessities like food, grains, pulses, milk, vegetables at the lowest market rate are said to be absolute poor. The people who are not even able to purchase vegetables, milk and all those things. The food items, we are not including here clothing, we are just including food items, and that also the very basic which we all need, that is food grains, pulses, milk and vegetables, and this all things, but plus at a very low rate, at a very low rate, not at the market rate. So these people are said to be living in the absolute poverty section. And second is the relative poverty. What is relative poverty? A society has different income groups. Amongst them, some groups have low income in comparison to other. अब बहुत सारे ग्रुप होते हैं, सम दो नेबर्स का एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. एक नेबर का थोड़ा अच्छा सिचुएशन एज कंपेयर टू द नेक्स्ट नेबर, एंड नेक्स्ट नेबर माइट बी वेल्दियर देन द थर्ड वन. So this is how the groups are divided according to the income. So this is known as relative poverty. So what will happen if neighbor A earns 20,000 per month, if neighbor B earns 80,000 per month, and if neighbor C earns 1 lakh per month, then what will happen for the neighbor C who earns 1 lakh, and for neighbor C, neighbor A and neighbor B will be poor. For neighbor B, neighbor C will be poor, and neighbor C, as a result, he only earns, neighbor A, which earns only 20,000, he will be real poor. So we are relating neighbor A, neighbor B and neighbor C with one another, we are comparing them. So this type of poverty is known as relative poverty. So the poverty in India and all those later on topics we are going to discuss in the next series. So this all things we will be covering in the part 2. If you like our video, please hit a like button. If you have any kind of feedback or have any kind of doubt, you can drop down in the comment section. Hit a like button if you like the video. Thank you.